All right, we are here at the hotel. Yay! Okay, sweetie, go packing your lunch. Well, we have swimsuits already. Yep, it's in the bag. I ready to go swimming tomorrow? Yeah. Look, we have bathing suits already. Well, I don't, so I have a lot of snacks. I'm going to place them in here. Wow! And we are also going to share, okay? And my swimsuit is here. Oh no, it's a glitch. Alright. And who is this? I don't know, but let's just put it right there. And mine's right here. So I have a bathing suit already. Magazine and jump. Wow, how nice. But I'm going to put okay. I'm going to pack my food. Because we need like a meal. Because we have a lot of snacks and we don't need that much. I'm gonna put my towel right here, Mommy. Okay, you can. Let's open the music. I have a banana also. I want to eat these chips and place a banana right here. And throw that in the garbage can, I'm done. And I have a pier. So, my bag in here on the shelter. Mommy, you need to do something with that food because that's a lot. I know. I gotta get the drinks. Yeah, I'm gonna get the snacks too. I can't wait to but I still can't wait to go swimming tomorrow. Yep, it's going to be really fun. I'm going to make a top. Put the chips right here. Yes. I'm eating some. Hey, you weren't supposed to do that. Sorry, Daddy. But you have some chips right there, and I'm going to place it. There's a lot of drinks, but we need more food. We got more drinks than food, actually. Oh, I just noticed. We don't need that many drinks, but it's alright. Wait. Save one. Okay, but look, guys. I got the drink and here's awesome. Thanks, Dad. It looks too yummy. I want to eat it. Okay. Please keep on opening the fridge because I'm going to stack it. Okay. Okay, Dad, this is really fun. I know, right? I'm so happy that I could go. Okay, there's like ice cream at the beach, so I think we can get it. I know, right? Okay, but it got really fast, so I think I have to go to bed now. I don't want to go to bed. You have to, sweetie. Okay. I love this pajama. Can you tell me a story for going to bed? Sure thing. I'm going to take this and place it right there. So that's my sleeping nightgown. I'm going to, I don't know what to wear. Basically, I'm going to wear this. So I just don't know why. Isn't that bad, right? Alright. We can watch with. Alright. Can we watch a princess story? It's right there by the red book. Okay, you can. I'm going to sleep. I'm tired. Okay, good night. Once upon a time, a princess. Her name was and the princess was a bad girl. So then she spoiled up all the houses because she was bad. But if you told her to be nice, if you're not nice. Then the princess listened. Oh, I was really sleeping. Good night, dear. OMG! Wait, is it morning? I have to sign up the window. OMG, it is! Yay! I get it. I'm so happy. Mommy, Daddy, stop! Yes, dear. Why are you so up in early time? Mom, keep my day. I want to go sleep. I want to go sleep. Not yet, sweetie. It's too early. See, it's like early. Oh, but I want to go sleep. But I want to go swimming. Oh dear, we can go swimming, but we have to feature just some breakfast first. Your mother's right. Okay. I'm gonna wear my outfit. Oops, where's my outfit at? My outfit. I don't know, Mom. What do you see? Where is it? Oh, I found it. Sorry. It's all right, Mom. Well, I'm going to go take a shower. Okay, Mommy. I'm going to take you a shower too. All right. I'm just going to wait for you guys, and I'm going to see. I'm going to read a magazine. If you wait. Okay, read a magazine. So, how about you take a bath, okay? Okay, Mommy. Wait. Okay, now I'm going to hop in the shower because I'm going to take a meal with that first, okay? Alright, Mommy. And we're going to use some lotion on me. Lotion. Mommy's going to take a shower. Okay. I'm just going to play with this and the frog. use ago. No, I didn't. Sweetie, when your mom's done, I'm gonna fix us some breakfast, okay? Okay, Dad. I'm finished. You have to read this because to make sure that your hair gets wet. Okay, Mommy. Ready to take a shower? Yeah, I want to take a shower. Well, put your toys up, okay? Okay. I did it already. Okay. I already took a shower. Okay. Yesterday I did. Okay. Yes, yesterday I did. Alright, sweetie. I'm going to lotion you up. Yay, lotion. Clean myself all up. And like scrub. Do stuff. Do stuff. Bye-bye. But how about you go change off? Yay, I'm going to change off. Hee hee. So put this magazine down. Okay, looks like we're all ready. Well, let's go downstairs. Mom, I have to bring my swimsuit. You have to bring my swimsuit too. We can't forget that. Well, Mommy's swimsuit and put that right there because we're not ready. I'm gonna put this in my bag, okay, babe? Okay. Great. It's gonna be really fun. Look at my luggage. And I'm gonna get mine. It's right here, but it can't close, Mommy. I tried to let it close. Okay, closed. Okay, Mommy. Open your back. Okay. Everyone go. We don't have much time. I think we do have time because it's early in the morning. And we're going to eat some breakfast. Then we'll just... Mommy. Yeah. Alright, let's go to the downstairs, way downstairs. Okay, we're coming. Alright, let's go.